Are you tired of your e-commerce brand getting lost in the sea of competition? What if I told you that the secrets to creating a standout brand design lie in the principle of psychology? Today I'm here to reveal my top secrets for creating standout and visually appealing brand designs that drive consumer behavior like never before. Let's get started. Before we dive right into the juicy details, let me introduce you to the key psychological principles that underpin successful brand design. Attention, memory, emotion, and cognitive fluency are the key drivers of consumer behavior. By tapping into these principles, we can create effective designs that instantly capture customers' attention, leave a lasting impression, and inspire them to engage with your brand. So the first psychological principle is actually attention. With so many brands out there competing for customers' attention, it's actually essential to create graphics that grab the attention quickly and effectively. The use of contrasting colors, bold typography, and unexpected shapes can grab the customer's attention and encourage them to interact with your brand. The second principle is memory. Brand design can play a crucial role in memory formation and recall. Using consistent branding elements such as logos, typography, and colors can actually improve brand recognition and recall, ultimately leading to increased brand loyalty. The next psychological principle is emotion. Brand design can evoke strong emotional response in consumers, which in turn can influence their decision-making. Studies have shown that emotional responses to a brand can be much more powerful than rational ones. Positive emotions such as joy and excitement lead to greater brand loyalty. And finally, cognitive fluency. Brand design can impact how easily we understand and process information about a brand. Cognitive fluency refers to how easy or difficult it is for our brain to make sense and understand a piece of information. Brands that use clear and simple design elements are more likely to be perceived as trustworthy and credible. So now let's dive into the three most important elements of brand design: shapes, colors, and typography. First up, the psychology of shapes. Shapes can evoke a different range of emotions depending on their size, orientation, and form. For example, circles can represent unity and harmony, while triangles express stability and energy. By using different shapes, we can communicate different brand personalities and create a more interesting visual experience for our customers. Next up, let's talk about the psychology of colors. So color is an essential part of brand design as it can influence emotions and perceptions. Different colors can evoke different emotions. For example, blue is often associated with trust and confidence, while red is associated with urgency and passion. By using the right color palette, you can create a memorable brand identity that resonates with the customers and motivates them to take an action. And finally, the psychology of typography. Different typefaces and arrangements can communicate different personalities and emotions. For example, serif fonts are often perceived as more traditional and luxurious, while sans serif fonts are seen as modern and casual. By using the right typography, we can create a memorable visual hierarchy that guides the customer's eyes. So, why does brand design matter in e-commerce? Well, it can influence purchasing decisions by creating a more memorable visual experience for your customers. Effective brand design can capture the attention, build trust, and create an emotional connection between the brand and the customer. Actually, research has shown that customers are more likely to make a purchase from a brand with a strong visual identity. Picture this: you're scrolling through your favorite online store in order to find the perfect product. Suddenly, something catches your eye. It's not just the product, it's the exact way it's presented. The colors, the typography, and the layout, everything works together in order to create a memorable experience that makes you feel a certain way. This is the power of effective brand design. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's about creating a connection between the brand and the customer. And think about it, when you're browsing online, you're bombarded with options, it's just overwhelming. But a strong brand can cut through this noise and make a lasting impression. It can make the customers feel like they're part of something bigger than just a transaction. And that exact emotional connection is what can drive to a purchasing decision. So if you want to make a lasting impression in the world of e-commerce, you need need to pay attention to your brand design. It's not just about creating a pretty logo or a trendy website, it's about speaking to your exact target audience and standing out from your competitors. And there you have it, now you know how powerful psychology in brand design can be for e-commerce. By using attention-grabbing colors, typography, and shapes, you can create a memorable experience for your customers and connect with them on a deeper level. So whether you're a business owner trying to stand out from the competitive space of e-commerce or a brand designer trying to up your game, understanding the psychology behind brand design is crucial. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time.